All right, boys and girls. It's Friday, right? Friday. Actually, for those of us who are traders, Friday is a sad day because that means we got the weekend coming up and there's no trading on the weekends. But all in all, that's fine. We'll be just fine. So, all right, just taking a look at the markets here, and we're just gonna get some things cleaned up while we do this. Well, that's interesting. Okay. Wow. So we have a gap that didn't get filled yet over here during the Asia and London sessions. And that one did. Let's get rid of the fib. Okay, looks like we have a gap down here that did not get filled either. We've got an hourly gap here. We got a nice hourly gap here with that there. So this is going to be a real good area of support. Okay, we've got a few things here that we can look at. So I'm going to mark off some hourly stuff while we're at it before we get into the highs and lows. Just some cursory things I'm seeing here. Got an hourly gap right here that's significant. Got an hourly gap right here that's significant. We've got one further down here as well, but we also have a draw on liquidity down that's down here. Speaking of which, well, let's do this before we go too much further here. Let me get my hourlies drawn out here. We also have this hourly right here. I'm not sure how I want to draw that, but that's going to be up above those lines. Just going to be whether or not that closes there. I'm going to be having to bounce back and forth on the hourly here to take a look at that and see what's going on. Yeah, this did the same thing. It got into the hourly and did not breach it. That did not breach it either. But we have a secondary that's there that's going to be a big area of support. Same here. So we have one here that's doing something too. So we're going to keep that up. We're going to keep this up. Yeah, I think I like the way that looks. Okay. Let's clean up a few more things while we're at it. Let's get rid of this. Although we know that that inflection point is there. I might actually keep that. It's an inflection point, so that's going to be an important thing to know. Nah, we can get rid of it. We'll know that that's there. We'll know that that's there. Got a nice hourly gap here. Yeah, we had some action, huh? Well, based on what I'm seeing here, we are we are looking pretty bullish. Um, okay, let's get to some sessions. Let's mark out our sessions real quick. Got about 3 minutes to open. Yeah, we got a big 15-minute gap here. So I'll have to keep an eye on that as well. Big 15-minute gaps on both of those from New York. So, all right, looks like Asia is completely engulfed in the London time frame. So we don't have anything there necessarily, but we do have a lot going on right here where London and New York, I'm sorry, Asia and New York are practically equal highs. We might come up, come back down to take some liquidity through here, and then surge back up. But I don't know. We're just going to see what price action gives us, because this one's there could be a lot of potential here. Okay, there was a lot of chop through there. Let me get rid of that for now. Okay, this one's going to be important. Got New York highs up here. Got New York highs right here. And we got some all-time that we're dealing with as well. So let me manipulate this around. I'm on micros on the S&P now, so if I do decide to take S&P, I'll be able to do some scaling and be a little more active with my trades. Okay, we have those. It's interesting we got highs up here, but I don't know what those are. Those are equal highs sitting up there because I think we go even higher. So we'll see. But for now, where the market is sitting, I think this will be a good enough. Okay, we've got market open. Okay. Go back to the 1 hour. Okay, and we've got some areas we can mark off the 1 hour. Okay, I anticipate that to boost up a little bit first, so that's what we're going to be looking at. Okay, we got a loss hourly there. That could be something. Oh yeah, and we got some hourly gaps there too. All right, that should give us enough to work with. Let's go back to the 15-minute and just see where the manipulation takes place. We have a lot of sideways here. I must have marked this off on the hourly. Is that what I did? Yeah, I marked it off as an hourly gap that did not get breached, did not get inversed. But all right, so that's an hourly, which also happens to be a 15. So this is going to be a real strong area of resistance here. But it'll be interesting to see where this decides to go, as well as this one, which also has that hourly gap that it's working with as well. So we got an hourly that's part of a 15-minute. We've got another 15-minute gap right here that this is down in. So this is going to be pretty strong area to reverse out of. It's really good today. Okay, so Nasdaq seems to be holding strong to the resistance that's in this area, at least so far. We're only about halfway through that candle, maybe a little less than halfway through, and we're already seeing some resistance in there. We've got a couple of 15-minute gaps right here that also seem to be holding, as well as a gap here and a gap here. So all of this is all gap central, plus we have an hourly down here that has not been fully inversed. It's just been dipped into. So with all that being said, we have a tremendous amount of resistance here with buy side imbalance that is going to give the market makers a hell of a time getting a draw on liquidity down there. But I think that's what their goal is to push down, try to get a draw at least down into this area, get a get some buy orders sucked up. Get some buy orders sucked up. I don't know if they're going down this far, but if it does, if we do inverse this gap, then this is definitely the target down here. These lows. Not even London. They would be down here. All right, it did make a dip down. I don't know if it's going to do it again. But we do have the equal highs that it's going to want to push to. I don't know. We might see this dip down and take out London lows, but I think that gap is going to be pretty tough. I don't know. What do I think? Do I think London lows first, or do I think they're going to go head to the equal highs first? That's a pretty strong gap. I don't really see a scalp opportunity just yet. Yeah, there might have been right in here, little scalp. Let's change this. Oh, wait a minute. What account am I on right now? Okay. Let's do this. Let's go 5, and then I can just add a bunch in. We'll go 5 micros at a time. That way I can click a few times to get this going. If this gap inverses, then we're probably looking at going a little higher. I can do a test here. Whoa. Okay, that was a wick down, so are we still headed down to... Yeah, see, this one's tough, man. I'm gonna do a buy on this. I'm gonna do just a quick scalp. See what we get. No, no, no. Looks like we're not doing it. No. Okay. I'm out. That was dumb. I should have been a sell. Because we are pushing. Wow, look at that snap back. Wow. Do we have news today? Now's a hell of a time to check it out. Consumer sentiment. Is that a Trump tweet? Okay, we hit equal lows. Let's see. We did break down below that. Okay, I'm going to take a sell there because I think we're going to London. Yep, we are. We're going to London. All right, so I'm out there. I don't know what I got on the day here. What do I have? Oh, come on. 180 bucks. Okay. I know we're not going to stay there, so I think I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait for it to take out London. It might dip a little lower. That or it's just going to fool with you. I'm going to take a buy coming back. I know that's risky as all hell, but something makes me think equal up. We're going to get the snap up. Yeah, that's what I thought. Yep, 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 yep. Okay, I'll take another 3 something there. Okay, I got another 400, so a total of 400 so far. I'm thinking this is going to be a V shape. I'm thinking I'm going to take this again. I'm going to take it again. Again, just a quick scalp. Take a chance here. Nope, this isn't working for me now. I'm expecting this to be a strong enough hold here. Nope, it's not working. No, this is going negative. I know it wants that liquidity, so I'm going to get out. Actually, I'm getting back in. I'm getting back in. I'm playing around here mostly, but I think we're goofing with price here. Oh, man. I'm playing a dangerous game for sure. Okay, I'm in with 5 micros is not good. Oh, wow, that hurt. That was definitely a drop down. Okay, I totally boffed that one, and now I'm down. I'm down a lot. All right, so now I want to do this because now it's going to be a snapback up. They got the liquidity, so now I got to make this up. So this is. Is this going to. I don't think this is going to continue to set down because this is. I think we have the liquidity, and I think we have to bounce back now. Okay, I saw the liquidity sweep at London. Okay, I'm going to go down to single units now, and I'm going to start scaling out. So I'm going to sell 2. Actually, maybe I'll sell 3. Yeah, I'll sell 3, and then I'll move to break even. Honestly, I don't know where break even is on this. Oh, I know where break even is on this. Okay. So sell stop, and I'll move my sell stop to right here. There we go. Okay. All right, so now I got a risk-free trade that I'm running 2 micros just as far as they'll run. Ooh. Okay. Stop got hit for 1. So let's see if the stop gets hit for the other. Okay. Let's see here. If we break above, I'll add. Go to 5 minutes, see what we got here. We're looking really good for an ad. With that V-shaped recovery, that's what we're looking for. We're looking for this candle to complete as a V-shaped recovery candle. And I think we're looking at being able to add here. Yeah, we're going to add. Go to the 1 minute, see if I have a good stop here somewhere. I really don't. But yeah, this is a risky one. I'm still going to go break even though I added. Oh, here we go. Okay. All right. So we're going there. All right. So it looks like we're still headed down. But let's see here, because we might have an opportunity to get back in. I'm just not thinking this thing is diving down anymore just yet, but it's possible. It's possible. I know NASDAQ doesn't want to go. And right now, we might even be forming a 5 minute SMT. I don't know. We got them both there. All right, I'm still in buy mode here. All right. So I'm in for 3 because I think we're breaking above. And if we do that, we got ourselves a nice run here. Okay, I think we're going to be okay. I think we're okay on the scalp. Let's keep running it. Good. All right, I'm going to take one off. And I'm going to let these two run. Actually, I'll take one more off. And I'm going to let this one. I'm going to run my stop just at break even. There, risk-free trade. We'll just let it run. I might even add if this comes down close. Nope, stop me out. Okay. It's really building a cluster down here. I know that it wants to, it's going to break one way or another. It's just chopping. We could not break this 1 minute value gap here. We're still right in the middle of this one, but this has got to be a lot of resistance. So they're taking up a lot of buy orders here before busting up. So please be an up candle. All right, a doge, a down doge. So I'm going to take a buy because I'm just seeing this moving up. So I'm going to take one and I'll see if it continues. And I'll add, if this closes as an up candle, I'll take an add. Okay, I'm in for 3. I'm going to do a quick scalp on this and get out with a few $100s. All right, I'm out with $100. Let's try this again. This is going to pop down a little maybe, but if we do end up breaching this value, inversing this 1 minute value gap, I think we're good to get back in. Yeah, we're good to get back in. So I'm getting back in. I'm going to let it dip a little bit more. Give me a little bit more, please. Ah, shoot. Dip again. Can you dip a little bit more? And if it breaks the gap, I'll take another one. Finish higher, and then we should be off to the races. Yep, we're good. All right, I'm going to take one more, and then I'm just going to take a quick scalp here as this goes up. We should come up out of this gap now. Okay. Starting to see what we need. Keep going. All right, I'm going to take 2 off. Nope. There we go. I'm going to take off 2, and then this will just be our break-even runner. Okay. Let me take this and just bring it right to break even. And then we're just going to let it ride. Oh, it hit my stop. I'm going to try again here. We had a small 1 minute gap right there, so I'm taking it at the gap. You can see there, we have the gap. So if the gap does not get inversed, which it didn't look like it did, then we should see this pushing up higher. Got to take the chance on this. There's just... It's trying to freak me out, but that ain't gonna work. Okay, we got our 7 o'clock news. Let's see what we got. Looks like we're getting a good boost on it. So We're going to take a couple contracts off. And we're just going to let the rest run. Okay, break even trade, and we're just going to let it ride. Let's look at it on the 5 minute now. I think getting to New York is going to be a good goal. I think that'd be a good TP right there. All right, I'm going to close it. I like where we're at so far. And there it goes. Jeez. Okay, well, that was goal. I should have kept one in there. I don't know why I got rid of that. I should have just done one. Let one ride. Only 500 today? That's not much. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe there's a pullback and a chance to get back in on some. We need a bigger shot here. Okay, what I want to wait for is a pullback probably into this value gap. This will create some more resistance, or support, I should say, and then we'll have equal highs we can shoot back up to. I think I'm gonna go high risk on this. We have a little bit of a pullback. We'll see. We'll see if this closes above, and then we can. We took out London lows, so I think London highs is our. All right, I'm going to get in. And I'm out. Okay, that wasn't bad. Let's try it again. Let's try it again. We're in again. And we're out. Could have held on to that one. Now I got to wait for a pullback. But it might just go. It might just go, and then I've missed it. Yeah, shoot. This is the one that would have gone. Damn. I got nervous. That's a lot of, it was a lot of risk. I saw the break and I knew it was worthwhile. Shit, that's just fucking going now. Unless there's another pullback, which usually there is, but you gotta wait it out. We're looking better. We've got a 15-minute gap we're entering. That's the issue right there. So I'm going to draw that out. That 15-minute gap is going to be a place of some resistance. So I think we're going to be pushing into that. Okay, there we go. It's going to want to drop a little, I'm sure you are. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. Come on, drop a little bit more. Not yet. Not yet. Give it a minute. Give it a minute. Might have a couple low candles. This area is going to be a little tough. It's going to want to test it, but I don't know if it's going to go through it just yet. All right, we're going to get in and we're out. Okay, we're only $300 short of qualifying the account. I mean, it wants to go, so no, this is going the wrong way now. Nope, I'm out. Shit. All right, let's try back in here. I think we're headed to... There we go. Did I get in at the wrong time? I think I did. I'm going to get out. If I can get up towards break even, I think I'm time to get out. This thing. Yep. This could be a tough one. I could be giving back quite a bit here. Oh, shit. Come on, babe. All I need is just a little more. Come on. Oh, shit. Fuck. Back where I started. I knew playing with that gap was a mistake. God dang it. Let's try this again. Got that 15-minute gap we're playing with. Okay, let's see if this holds. Got a couple of 1-minute gaps that this could hold. Let me see if I got a fib I can work with here too. I played the fib last time and it worked out pretty well. So let's see here. We're back in. Oh, come on. Did I really? Oh, no, I did not. You dirty rotten. Oh, this is such a big risk. Damn it. Come on. Good Lord. Shouldn't be getting him with such big size. All right, well, now I got to hang on to it because... Oh. Okay. Yes. Qualified the second account. Good. All right, so now let's bring this down. All right, good. Let's wait for a pullback and let's get a scalp. Good, that's what we want. Pull back a little bit more. I'm going to scale in here. I'm going to go one more. Ah, shoot. Needs to come down a little bit more. Right there. All right, that's good enough. Good. And now I've got my stop. Oh, I wonder if I shouldn't just take another one there too. I'm going to take another one. Okay. Now we should be good. All right, I'm going to go one more. Okay. All right, I've got a good stop now. So target is London highs. Oh no. What the hell? Oh, I'm fucked. Wait a minute. Maybe not. All right, this is a huge risk. Huge. I could really be fucked here. But something tells me I won't be. Oh, man. This is bad. Shit. Yeah. Come on. London highs, man. I know you want them. A lot of resistance there. Oh, my God. No. Oh, jeez. Oh, I got stopped out. Ah. All right. Max daily loss. Ah. Watch it go to. Mm. Because I took one trade. Look at that thing dump. Shit. That was foolish. Fuck. All right. That was not great. All right. I'm done for the day, guys. I qualified another account. My other account had max daily loss, but I'm still qualified, so I'm not too freaked out. I just got some building to do. So, okay. Starting again. All right, boys and girls. We're going to be at it now. All right. That was just some bad risk management. I did not take a good look at it. I'll look at some. I got some learning to do, but that's okay. I got the weekend. I can chill, and now we've got some things we can work with. Okay. Very good, y'all. Take care. Have a good one. We will see you on Monday.